KB5074109 update identifies devices eligible to automatically receive new secure boot certificates. Devices will receive the new certificates only after demonstrating sufficient successful update signals, ensuring a safe and phased deployment. If you are unable to install this update, then follow the instructions in this video.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop woo-serve. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop msi server. Type renc/windows/software distribution old. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2 Type netstart woo-serve. Type netstart crypt svc. Type netstart bits. Type netstart msi server. Type exit, and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type exit and then press enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type DISM/online/cleanup/image/restore health. Press enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Once it finished, close the window and restart your PC. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Locate Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click on Download Now. Double-click the media installer you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition, and then press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Select your download folder. Name the file Windows 11. Press Save. Wait for Windows 11 to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 file. Double-click Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Wait for Windows to update. This might take a while. Press Accept. Select to keep your personal files. Press Install. Wait for Windows 11 to be upgraded to the latest version.